Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a limited PayPal account. First, navigate to your PayPal account and locate the Resolution Center. This is where PayPal provides specific details about why your account was limited and outlines the exact steps you need to take to restore full access. Carefully review all the information presented there, as the requirements can vary significantly based on the nature of the limitation. Understanding the specific reason is your crucial first step. PayPal often limits accounts as a protective measure for both buyers and sellers. Common reasons include detecting unusual activity, like a sudden increase in transaction volume or value, which might signal a security concern. Selling certain high-risk items or services, or experiencing a high number of buyer disputes can also trigger a limitation. Furthermore, operating without fully verifying your identity or business details is a frequent cause. If you find yourself unable to provide a valid government-issued identification, do not despair. Your next best action is to contact PayPal's customer support team directly. Explain your situation clearly and honestly. They may be able to suggest alternative forms of verification, such as recent utility bills, bank statements, or other official documents that confirm your address and identity. Be prepared to follow their specific instructions carefully to resolve the limitation. To prevent future account limitations, it is highly recommended to fully verify your PayPal account as soon as possible. Maintain consistent and predictable transaction patterns, avoiding sudden, large, or unusual activity. Always respond promptly to any requests for information from PayPal, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Regularly update your personal and business details to ensure all information is current and accurate, fostering a trustworthy account history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.